If you need a quick coffee and chocolate fix, we have a 2-in-1 recipe solution with our Espresso Tart. Just add 150 millilitres of whipping cream and a little bit of milk to a pot on the stove, mix it up nicely whilst heating it. And then we're going to add in 300 grams of dark chocolate. The darker, the better. Mix that all up nicely. Now we pour in chocolate ganache mixture into an instant tart base, which you can buy pre-made from the store, or easily make your own by crushing up some Oreo cookies and mixing it with melted butter to form your base. Right, we're going to refrigerate that for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, add 250 millilitres of whipping cream and 50 grams of icing sugar. Using an electric whisk for speed, we're just going to mix that together. And add in 10 grams of instant coffee. Give it even more of a kick, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of coffee extract too. Now, our whipping cream is ready. We're going to put that into a food piping bag. And using a serrated edge nozzle, we're going to just pipe on some gorgeous espresso whipped cream flowers. Moving round and around. It's that easy. Covering the entire top of our chocolate ganache. Gorgeous. And now, all we need is a finishing touch. Let's sprinkle on some cocoa powder. You could even add a few coffee beans if you really want to go all out with your coffee. And there you have it. Espresso Tart. What more could you want? Super quick to make for a super quick fix. Delicious.